Hi guys, Cindy from Bunny Brook Designs here. So I've got another unboxing for you. I just got in my bargain bead box and I've got a bunny under my feet right now. So this month's bargain bead box is called Leafy Landscape, and I literally just got it in today, so we're gonna open it together. I haven't even pulled out anything out of the bag. I like the green bag, so we're gonna pull this out. I'm gonna set it aside, and we're gonna get to the unboxing. And for those of you that are interested, real quick, Bella came home today. She's home. She's not 100%, but we're moving in the right direction. So she's getting readjusted with the house again, and you know, being back home. So yeah, we're doing good. So I'm very happy that she's home. All right, so with that said, let's see if I can find and get these in order. Just because I'm having a hard time finding number one. That's 11, 5, 6, 4. There's number one. All right, number one is a 33 by 18 Picasso Jasper pendant. Ooh, I like that. That's really cool. So it's got like different lines in it, but I like the red at the top and the gray. I really like that. I can see that being a, you know, using it for maybe a bracelet or something, or a pendant. I'm going to set that in there. I really like that. Number two, we have a 15-inch strand of 8mm Picasso Jasper round beads. And so that's what these are. So they're nice brown, gives you that woody feel. So I'm going to cut these and put them in my tray. I really like these. Those are really pretty. Number three, we have a 7.5-inch strand of Picasso nugget beads, Jasper nugget beads in, these are, woo, I'm throwing them away. These are more of a gray, so definitely earthy. Ooh, can I take that apart? Ooh, I can. So yeah, so these are a gray. I like these. These are fun. I'm going to have fun with those. I think I might do some wire wrapping with these. Maybe make a wire wrap bracelet with those. That's going to be fun. Next, we have a 7.5-inch strand of 10mm Picasso round Jasper beads, 7.5 inches, in rainbow Picasso. So these are larger beads to these beads here. These are fun. I really like this. We're gonna have so much fun with this. And I'm just going to cut that. Oops. Get that out of there. Ooh, I really like that. Next we have 4mm. So I've got to find it. Here, let me get rid of some of my empty bags. We have 4mm faceted agate round beads. 14.5-inch strand. So these are whiter, they're dyed, but these are the light to the dark of the bigger beads. So I like that. That's going to be a good accent. Ooh, I like that. So next we have, where is my 6? We have 8x6 hematite corrugated pumpkin beads in bronze. They look kind of silver to me, but they're bronze. They're not gold, they're not silver, but those are fun. That's going to require one of these. These are really fun. I don't know if I'd call, I mean, they look like pumpkins, kind of. I don't know if I'd call these pumpkins. Just trying to get the wire out of there. It's the one thing I really hate, these little tiny wires. This little tiny wire, I'm sure if you've worked with these before, they'll cut you. So I'm just trying to cut that off. Or break it, whatever. Hi, bunny. I got a bunny under my feet again. She's digging at my leg, begging for treats because she hears me rattling plastic. Every time, it never fails. Every time I am making a video, she has got my number. All right, so that was number 6. Number 7 is, where is number 7? 7 is 4 pieces carved Malaysia jade pumpkins. Again, I don't know if I would consider these pumpkins. They kind of look like pumpkins from the side, but they look like stars from the top. Those are adorable. I can see those being a pair of earrings. Those are really fun. Next we have, so that was 7. We are looking for number 8. Number 8, we have 5.5 crystal faceted English cut beads in evergreen AB. Ooh, pretty. Leafy green, so that definitely gives you that leaf color that they were talking about in Leafy Landscape. Really hate these wires. That's really pretty with the browns. I mean, that's going to look gorgeous next to the stone. Ooh, yes, this is going to be so nice. I'm really liking this. Ooh, I just dropped a wire. Where'd it go? I'm going to have to get that before Bunny gets cut on that. I'll get that in a minute. All right. So, next we have, so that was number 8. So number 9, we have 6x4 crystal faceted rondelle beads in light green with bronze iris. So this is the two-tone beads, another leafy color. I'm really liking that. We'll put these in here as well. I'm going to keep my sparkly together. Although I probably might, well, no, we'll just leave those in there for now. Actually, no, we're going to move. Well, no, they're there for now. They'll stay there for now. Number 10 is 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in blue-green iris. And so these, these are pretty and sparkly. I am not going to take these off of the string just yet. I'm going to set those in there. I like that with that. Ooh, that looks really cool. I'm seeing a bracelet, wire woven bracelet with these two together. Maybe silver, maybe bronze. I don't know yet. We'll probably do a video on that. Number 12 is 10 pieces of pine cone charms. Oh, I absolutely love these pine cones. Oh, those are cute. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun with these. I can see earrings, bracelet. Fun. Number 13 is corrugated barrel spacer beads. And actually, I'm going to move these guys over here with the charm. And these are fun beads. They're small. I really like that. That's really cool. Oh, yeah, those are bronze. Okay. Number 14, we have 7mm bumpy petal bead caps. Bumpy 6-petal bead caps. Wow. Those are really fun. I'm going to set those in here as well. And I missed number 11. Apparently I skipped 11 because here it is. Number 11 is 2 pieces, 35 by 20 leaf pendants. I can see pine cones and leaves as a pair of earrings. These are really fun. They're 3D. I don't know if you can see that real well on camera, but they're really 3D. I like those. That's going to be fun. Those are going to be a fun pair of earrings. Next we have 10-piece 15 by 9 leaf links. So these, ooh. I'm already getting ideas, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, I'm really liking these because I'm hoping, and they are reversible, so you can go, ooh, oh, I like these. I'm going to have to buy some more of these. These are definitely going on my must-purchase list. All right, next we have 2-piece 22 by 17 leaf detail chandelier links. Ooh. Oh, I like those. That looks Victorian to me. Oh, I can see me doing something with the green. Oh, yes. Yes, Victorian style. I love those. I am in love with those. Those are probably going to be mine. I'm not selling those. Next we have 4 by 2.7 oval jewelry chain 1 meter. So chain to go with. I can see doing some chain on those chandeliers maybe. Definitely some chain with that. I like that the metal is the same color. You know, so now I don't have to worry about finding something in my stash. Lastly, we have 17mm brass super hold magnetic clasp. Super hold, not hold. Wow. Okay. Ooh. So it's a magnetic clasp. That's cool. That's nice. And then we have some extras. And so they included some jump rings, various sizes, some small, some medium, some really large jump rings. And then they also added some ear wires, some brass ear wires, in case you didn't have any in your stash. overall, this is amazing. I'm going to open, well, I'm probably going to transfer these green beads over to here. Just because I need more room in this little one, and I want those bluish green beads in here. Whoopsie. But in doing that, I get to mix those up and see what I can do for designs. I am definitely going to be doing these with that. I think the blues and the gray on that will go well together. I don't know if I'll do it with the brass or the bronze. That may be too dark, you know, but I'm really liking this month's kit. I'm just going to get most of these over there. And then I'm going to put these in here. Oopsie. Just because I want to get rid of this wire. Oh, those are pretty together. Those are really pretty together. I like this kit. This is, well, this month's box is going to be so much fun. And I like the fact that we've got these yellow pumpkin beads that are totally off the color that, you know, because that just, it kind of makes it pop. I can't wait to do something with this pendant. I'm really liking this. I love these. This and these are like my absolute favorites. I can't wait to play with them. I mean, I could do, ooh, I've got ideas. So just to kind of show you, I'm thinking doing a drop there, doing a drop, well, there like that, and maybe doing it interior so that we could do something like that and make a pair of earrings with, ooh, I've got ideas. We'll see what I do. But anyways, as always, let me know what you think about this in the comments. I'm absolutely loving this month's box. I can't wait to get started. I don't know what I want to work on first. Too many ideas at this point, but anyways, I'm going to maybe start playing, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.